Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. We are here in the deep of the forest. Yo. I'm here with my children. Hello, boys. Papa?
Yeah.
Your forest so deep, you know?
It's very big.
It's very big.
And deep.
Hmm?
And deep.
Yeah. It's very, very deep. And there is too much firewood here. Huh?
And here also.
Where?
Other side.
Yeah, the other side. Yep. And you see those firewood?
It's very, very much.
Yeah, I know. I remember when we was very young, we used to go and fetch firewood for our mothers.
Yes.
Yeah, in the village. Well, my beautiful viewers, listeners, well, I'm going to say in English and Mandinka for the sake of my children, because I do speak with them frequently, mostly Mandinka in my home. Yep. Papa?
No?
Yeah, you remember last year, what we in Nataja?
Yes.
Well, you remember?
I remember.
It's a very deep forest, though.
It's very much trees and deep.
Huh?
It's a forest and deep.
Mhm.
Very much trees.
Mm-hmm.
And long.
Yeah. What did you say? Where? Forest Oko. Pulkata Muna. Oh, you want to go in the forest?
Take the come.
But this forest is very deep. Seku.
Very much spike also.
The forest wall are low theater there. Mm-hmm. There is too much firewood.
And
Hmm? Where? We go upstairs.
maybe. Just a little.
Mm-hmm. Then be careful. You see, all this area is full of wood. Hmm?
It's spicy.
It's what?
Green.
It's what? What? Yeah, I know.
You can get first also.
Mm-hmm. Wow, Papa, look at this other side.
I can see my boy.
Uh,
Buddy, where?
hmm?
Oh, that.
Oh, Papa, I remember last time, not a bad alaja. Hey, you remember? Huh? That was last year. Yeah. But very soon he will be back again. You? It's a very nice view.
And Papa said he was playing with the Saudi country.
They cut all the trees. Not like last year. Yeah, I remember last time kabin minajan jaw jambe mu jiro tinu. Basaya ja jiro be kuntu sai.
Papa, movie, no jump.
The place is so open now.
Papa, down or the most?
We can stand here first after we go forward. Mm-hmm. Wow, very nice view.
Papa, I remember last time we went here.
Yeah. Last time we went up there. Mm-hmm.
The mountain.
Yeah. What is it? The other side of the river bank. Yeah, it's a very nice view. fay man jimala tabe jam fala.
Okay. Who's Mustafa?
Huh?
Who's Mustafa?
Wow, papa tata nyato seku. Wow.
Papa, I did it.
Huh? Wow, look at that boat. You see?
I think it's a speedboat.
Yeah. I think we need to go to the other side. I want to the other side.
Papa,
Yeah.
do the last one.
Wow. Gimana ta jam fata?
I think Sekus.
Look at the other side. Hmm? I don't know what is the name of the other side. Huh? Wow. Let's go to the other side. Do you know why the sea is rough like this? Yeah, because of Wokumomin Tambida. You know, there is another boat passing by. Yeah, that make exactly. That's why it's rough like this. It's a very nice view, and it's very sunny today. Wow, look. Yeah, yeah, jibale mo sembo warte nyama because of full moment tan bitanu. Ne wala jie la bale mo warandike. It's very sunny today. Vitilo bottle, you know. Yeah. Yaje the batin kate nyame.
Now it's
Yaje. Because you because so kulungo min tambita jawole. Papa, New Forest of Anna is very deep, you know.
and very big.
Mm-hmm.
I remember here.
You remember last time we came here? That was last year.
This is like a cave.
Yeah. And last time we went up there. Mm-hmm.
Papa, there's another way here.
Where? Yeah, I know. If you want, you can go this way. If you want, we go this way.
I want to go this way.
Okay. Papa, come this way. We follow big man. Wow.
I found a way up here.
Yeah, look at the view.
And there is our bike.
Yeah. It's a very nice view though.
And we can go more up there. It's a dog.
Yeah.
I thought it was a bird. No, I'm sorry, it's a dog. What's this? I don't know.
Wow.
They have more
Wow, this side is so open. Oh, guys said, oh, yeah, they locked it. They locked it. Go. Mm-hmm.
There's another way here too.
Where?
Another one here again.
Yeah, I know, but
Oh, 15 more.
what is it?
Huh? 15.
Do you know what is the difference between this forest and the other one?
Because I think it's very much tree. Because this
I'm not hearing you.
This forest is more deeper.
It's more deeper, more big. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. So, I don't know when forest or water forest door. Okay. But this forest is very close to the at the seaside. And you know, Sujata Bala than the other one. Mm-hmm.
But the 2 trees cut.
Huh?
They cut the trees.
Yeah, because you don't control pour mole silo sort of police tamino because you roll a boy down. Yeah, they cut it so that people can get past.
And look at the forest.
Mm-hmm.
And look at the forest.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, I wish now we swim. Huh?
Yes. And we can fish. Maybe we can sit there.
Where? but the water is too cold. You can't swim here.
We have a fishing rod, then we can fish here.
We what?
Fish.
Yeah.
Then we don't have one.
Then we need to buy it.
Then we can fish and we can eat fish.
Then we go what?
We can eat fish.
Yeah.
Without spending money.
Yeah, without spending money, exactly.
Say we come. It's very quiet. It's very quiet.
Yeah, no problem.
Not our football planner. It's no problem.
Mindo, we are now going back home. Yeah. Please, my beautiful people, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. You say you are tired of riding bicycle? But you have to try. Now we are going back home. Yeah. My lovely boys. Oh, look at your brother down there. Hello. Are you tired? You are not? Okay. Yeah, maybe later, not now. No, no. Yeah, don't worry, you can go. It's a very nice and lovely forest. Wow. Wow. I'm tired.
That's me. Papa?
Hmm? Hmm?
Come.
Yeah. It's a very open area. This is a farm. Yeah. It's a very big farm. Papa, tilo jiba ka finti nyame. Tilo, very nice honey. We are now going home. You? You have to go to the other side. Now you go up first. Look at you go high. I will see who will take first.
Papa,
Huh?
I'm scared.
You scared? Don't be scared. Hmm? You can stop now. Papa, you go down first.
Hi, Papa, me.
Hmm? Last time nara nunjan na. Wow. Huh?
This is the right way.
Where?
The
You know why? We have to fetch this firewood. We take it to Mama.
Oh, yeah.
Mama can go and cook food. Yeah? Yeah.
Mommy, Ninka.
Ale, ha mbe albe lo ni na le sama mamai. Mamai ta tabirola. Fonde wa. Lol jibe ba.
Got here to mama.
Huh?
This is to mama.
What?
This.
No, that one is too small. You take the big one.
Okay.
Like this. Yeah.
Like I take this. Nick.
Huh? Ako, mama bi ta tabirola bi. Bi fa tabiro ka de bi. Mama,
What can you do?
mhm.
I can pick this up.
Nindo waratala ito sikano.
What?
Nindo waratala no. But next time, ninte rangon minanga na lo ni, okay?
How many camera?
Eka lo kuntu minna. Huh?
I saw.
Yeah. We'll bring a big cutlass. Big cutlass. We come and cut all these trees.
This is so good.
Ha,
A
ngasuro.
big tuba.
Yeah, ngasuro. Mbasa man next time.
Look at this.
Ne nara dorong. No, vi ala mayila ko. Belo samala mama.
Cannot why you can hit my head.
Be careful, Papa.
You can go up there.
Next time, we will bring big cutlass. We cut all this firewood. We take it to Mama. Mama's will cook benakin for us. Or super kanja, plasas, durango, everything. You.
A big mountain. A big mountain.
Big mountain.
And this stone is falling.
Yeah, the stone is too big. Wow.
Hey, Papa! This thing cool! What? What is that? A cockroach.
Tumbo.
Now I know it.
In Mandinka, we call it tumbo.
Bye. Come to Baka.
Okay.
Okay, come. Come.
Papa, don't worry.
Papa, is the way up here?
Where?
Here.
Yeah, I know. You remember last time Nara Nunjan?
Down. You coming? Yes. But no. Wait.
Oh,
Hey, kijk, dan maak je dit. Ik kan climb with this. I want to find one.
hmm?
They're going to find a stick.
What do you want?
A big stick like Mustafa.
Ela Samunela.
A stick like this.
Oh, that's too long.
Hey! I'm coming down. I can hold the stick. Kom hier. We gaan er nu. Kom. Papa, bit.
Honey, see what on the 10 name?
Bit.
Nice, see look at the name, man.
Papa, you guys stuck.
I jump fatally. You cannot carry this.
I can throw this like a spear. Don't throw it. We need it to cook.
Do it, let me see.
Come. I want to cook it.
Where are you going? Just do it there. Good.
I can try.
Try what?
Throw. Papa,
Hmm?
you get up there like it's a. I can see everything.
Very nice view.
Look here, Papa. There. Kick that. You cannot climb this. Yes, I can. Papa, Papa,
Hmm?
the way is working. The way it was here.
Yeah.
Papa.
Look at this big mountain.
Papa, the bed.
Hmm. This way. You see, next time, Niminana, next time, me fanko nat la fango. Me fango la nat la fango. We bring big cutlass. Ngana lo jamata mama ita tabiro la. Kodi? Ah. Abe tabiro kala go de fanko te banta. Kodi? This way. You don't live out it, that means here. You cannot pass.
I can climb on the jeep.
No, but you can't. Let's go this way.
You're done. You do 20 minutes more than you will do.
Oh.